Hi, I'm Dave Lang from Butcher Magazine, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Dublin Coddle. Start with some good quality sausages from your local butcher, and if you soak the sausages for about 10 seconds in cold water and with a sharp knife slice along the sausage, you can take the sausage meat out cleanly without any mess. In a previous video I made chicken stock and I saved it in ice cube bags. I'm going to put that into the microwave now to soften it down. So cut each sausage into 3 or 4 pieces depending on the size you like. I've done 3, but I probably should have done 4. Roll the sausage meat into meatballs and collect them in your bowl. They don't have to be perfectly round, just in fact you could leave them as cut sausages if you prefer. I just think they look a little bit better as meatballs. With a sharp knife, remove the rind from the bacon. Again, with your sharp knife, slice and dice the bacon. Cut it into sizes that suit you, leave it big or small depending on what you want. I cut them fairly small, I found it better. After a couple of minutes in the microwave, the chicken stock is soft and dicey. So here are our potatoes, our bacon, our sausage meat and our onions, and that's your basic ingredients for coddle. So we heat some oil on a pan. Fry the sausage meatballs until they're lightly browned on the outside. They will cook fully in the oven over a period of about 2 hours. Now fry your bacon. You're not cooking this fully, you're just basically browning it and releasing some of the fat. Most of the cooking will take place over a couple of hours in the oven. Bring your stock to the boil and then add your ingredients: onions, potatoes, bacon, sausage. Add more stock to cover the ingredients. Add some pepper. I have to admit I probably put too much pepper into this. It was delicious, but it was a little bit peppery, so hold back a little. You don't need salt because there's enough salt in the sausage and the bacon. Don't put salt in. So cover with a lid and place into a preheated oven, 180 degrees centigrade and 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 hours. This is what it looks like. I have to say, it was delicious. And that's Dublin Coddle.